Hi, it's the day for ExpertVillage. Today we're going to make some stuffed mushrooms with ham and shrimp. Okay, now that we have our mushrooms washed and dried, I'm going to show you how to prepare these for stuffing. Okay, all you need to do, and these are nice and large as you see, this comes out really easily. You just take the stem, grab the stem just like that, and you'll see that this comes right out. And go ahead and leave in this portion here because it's going to be really flavorful anyway, and we'll just go ahead and set that aside. Do the same with the next, and you see how easily that comes out. Just grab this. Sometimes you can just twist it. I mean, this is perfect. And set that back in the pan. And again, go ahead. Sometimes it'll be a little tougher to pull out than others, but not very much. You just loosen that up as you see how it goes, just like that. If there's a little too much in there, go ahead and run your finger in there and take off this because we're going to stuff these.